Change.
What about the lollipop? Yung mga ganun-ganun na contact, tapos you have to block it. At ma-practice ka yung dalawa. Yan, binablock mo. Good one. Straight on, para i-block mo.
Block on your face.
Yan, straight mo na to. Yun, kasi Christian mag-block. Block Christian. Don't counter. Block. Yun. Pag nag-straight si Anton, iba-block mo ng other side. Okay? Straight Anton. Baliktad eh. Ikaw yung deliver siya yung nag-block eh. Ano yung appear? Counter yun. Halfway. Okay. Later on, ako yung gagawin yun ng punching pag dito dalawa eh. Alam ko na yun eh. Naisip ko na yun. Okay. 5. Okay. Anton? Okay, Christian. 5. So, tayo lang. Tapos kunyari, assuming mag-ground si Anton, you have to raise your legs up. Yun! Raise. Knee high.
Cover.
Knee block Christian. Okay, Ton, try to kick again. Knee block Christian.
Kick, Anton.
Kick Anton. With the other side. Sorry.
The right.
This legs.
Roundhouse.
Okay, roundhouse Anton. Roundhouse. No, it's okay.
Baliktad eh.
Mapapractice niya Anton. Para mapapractice niya. It's okay? It's okay? Ano? Wheelchair? No. It hurts, Christian. So, okay. Shake lang. Shake. Yan. So, okay pa? Okay. Good. That's what I'm doing. Okay, ready? Fight. We're sparring, ha?
Cover, Ton.
We're sparring, ha? Oh, wait. Okay. Yun. Huwag ka gagawin, Christian. Kailangan harap ka. Yan. Okay? No.
So
you will not get-
Ano ka ba? The point is to cover nga eh.
Pag nakaharap ka nga, mas maganda kasi nakikita mo. So pag sumuntok siya, you have to block so that you will not get hit. No, you will not get hit. Oh,
So you can block it.
you have to block ngayon. Okay, ready? Okay, fight. Then harap ka lang, harap ka, tingnan mo yung punches niya para at least hindi ka tamaan. Tapos after kung hindi mo maabutan, taas mo na kamay mo. Taas mo palagi kamay mo. Yun, good. So, kita mo, maharap ka lang. O, diba? Okay, just like the real lolo. Okay? See? Yun, o. Sige, kita mo, nakaharap ka na palagi. At least hindi ka tinatamaan, di ba? Oo. Okay. Don't cover your back. Kailangan nakaharap ka. Kasi may mga surprise kaya you have to be fast. Kaya kailangan nakaharap ka palagi.
Oh, yung baso!
Wait, go there. Okay?
Tired na? Tired? You think you lost weight today?
So, okay ba? Pose. Anton? Christian?
What does that lost a bone?
Anton? Oh, no, that's normal for the lolo. To be sad once in a while. Okay? Alright. Ano? Ganun yung Christian.
Babe, you don't have a broken bone because if you had a broken bone, you couldn't move.
Yeah.
What if there's a problem? No problem.
It's probably just muscle.
Wait. It's okay? It's okay? Okay, fight. Taas ka way, Christian. Okay, go.
We're supposed to go wild, right?
No, like contact
The
lang.
Wi-Fi wild. That's like contact.
That's it.
What's that? Ding. Akala ko yung gano'n yun, no? Okay,
Ding, ding, ding.
okay, like contact. Okay. No, harap Christian, huwag ka tigilid. Christian. Dapat nakaharap ko yun. Okay, you're good. Fighting stance. Nice one. Expect the surprise attack of the other lolo, ha?
You like this? Or
No.
like this?
Yeah, it depends. May
It
mga
depends.
surprise attack yun, eh. Kaya you have to it's okay. Yun. Huwag ka tatalikod, Christian. You have to face your phone.
Don't be there in the dulo of the counter. You might hit it. Stay in the middle, please.
Okay, wait. Okay, ready. Okay, Christian? Okay.
Why does he look sad?
No, it's not.
Yes, awi back.
Oh. Okay, face your phone na. Okay, like contact.
Yun.
Oh, like contact. It's okay. It's okay? Heavy? Heavy?
Heavy?
Eh, before nga, there's no gloves pa, di ba, you guys?
Bare hand.
Christian,
It was
okay?
bare hands.
Okay. Okay na?
And you had
On your hands.
bare barbaric hands, and then you had to saw your hands in the eyes. After.
Face para ano, para you could protect your tummy, your his tummy. Look at the target. Look at the target. Oh, start Christian. Start Christian.
Cross.
Always protect.
Kick!
Oh, wait. Oh, you need an armor? You need an armor? Kasi you always talk back eh. So you want an armor?
Give me.
Give me. Hi.
Come on, follow Christian. Cover your face. Cover your face. Good.
Cover, Ton. You're not covering.
That's it, Christian. Okay. Anton, it's okay? Okay, fine. Oh, almost hit in the face. Anton, over.
Cover.
Over your face. Anton. Up. Embrace Christian. Embrace Christian. Oh, embrace ka agad para I'm going to break. Ha? You have to embrace up. Okay? One eye jack na. One eye jack.
Oh, go. Cover, Anton.
Okay.
Ready.
Cover your face. Yun, ganun pala ang Christian. Good. Okay, Sam. Nice one. Pero ano yun, like contact yun. Anton. Oo, kasi. Good. Oh.
Light contact nga eh.
Yeah, like contact ko yun. Christian. Oo.
Cover.
Nice ah. New one yun ah. New one yun ah. Ah. Okay.
Remember our old magic?
Over your face, Anton.
Nakakatawa sila.
Oh, Christian, your face. Okay.
You get one.
Face, cover it, Christian. Christian, lollipop.
Smell this.
Surprise attack yun ito na. Timing ah.
May hilo na talaga si Kuya nun.
That is a surprise ito na.
Up.
Oh, wait.
Face.
Smell this.
Dahil pakitanggal naman yung mga glasses oh. Kick.
Face mama into one face.
It's okay?
Face.
Ano ba? This one?
Pass ang water.
Hindi. Hindi ko.
Oh, yun yun.
Oh, come on.
Kunti lang.
Ito talaga. May break. Where is the other glass that was using?
Go on.
You're tired.